In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print in landscape or portrait mode in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up PowerPoint and select the File tab up at the top left. And then you want to go down and select Print. And now on the right side, where it says underneath Slides, it should say Portrait Orientation. You can click that and select Landscape Orientation or Print, whatever your preference may be on that. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.